Hey, I am just prepping a grapevine base for a project. I thought I would come on and show you real quick how I clean mine up. So I just go through and I pick, now some people don't do this, it's fine. If you don't do it, that's totally up to you. This is just how I like to do it. I like to clean them up a little bit. Some of them you'll get some that have a lot of leaves in them and some that don't. This one doesn't have too many. This one came from White Bayou. But I see how these are all sticking up. I don't mind that. I just don't want anything that's going to be sharp and poking out. So I try to get rid of those. That's all I'm trying to get rid of. So some of these, I don't want it to scratch at the door. So I try, and I run my hand across the top of it, and I look to see what is sticking up, and anything that might be too pointy or sharp, I just want to get rid of that. But I'm not gonna go overboard with cleaning it. Now here's a big leaf right here, we'll get it out of there. Here's a leaf, we'll try and get those out. It's not too much. So I'm just making sure that whatever is poking up is not going to do any damage, and that it keeps with the shape of my grapevine. This one. And then I will flip it over. Now see, this one lays a little flatter, so this might end up being, now see, this one is sticking way up. I don't want that. Take that one off. Any of them that might be broken. Get these leaves out right here. You can take, I have a little screwdriver I use. I also have like an ice pick, an awl, anything that you have. Like I use my ice pick here. I have one of the long handled ones. And I will usually stand it up and just run it through wherever I see something that I need to take out. And that will usually take care of it. But I don't worry about getting all of it out. I mean, grapevines are messy, you know. Even after you clean them, and no matter how much you clean them, they're messy. Stuff is always going to be falling out. The customer's going to get it. There's still going to be pieces of grapevine laying in the box. It's just a fact of life. And anybody that tells you otherwise, I won't say they're lying, but they're just, it hasn't been my experience. See, like there's a leaf there. Grapevines are messy. They're called grapevines. I do get this pine needle out though. I don't like that. So if I see that in there, I try to pull as much out as I can. We have pine here in North Carolina, and I hate the pine. They're pretty to look at, but boy are they a pain. Alright, so let's get rid of this. And once I get all that done, get through mess, drop it on the table a few times. Now, if you do this outside, you can do it however you want. I just drop it a few times. Anything loose is going to come out. See, not too much more came out. Alright, we're going to push this into the trash. And then we're going to move on. Half of it ends up on the floor anyway. Alright, there we go. And that's how we clean up the base. And I'll just go around and make sure I didn't miss anything that I want to cut off. It looks pretty good. Nothing will be in my way when I try to put my stuff in. So there's our base. So this one here, like I said, it came from White Bayou, and it's pretty clean. Not too bad. So their wreaths are pretty clean there. Now this side's a little thinner, so I'll probably use that as my main side. So this will be my front, this will be my, that'll be my back, this will be my front. Alright, so that's all cleaned up, ready to be used. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see future tutorials like this one.